Absolutely gorgeous home just under 5,000 square feet in a great neighborhood. Spacious and bright west/3 eloquent fireplaces, copper panel lined ceiling in living room, Murano glass lighting, curved hickory staircase, 12 by 16 bar/ice make and additional dishwasher disposal, central air conditioner, privacy glass wndws, 4 bed and 3 full and 2 half bath, and 2 laundry rooms conveniently located near bedrooms and 1 in master. 4-car garage west/parking for 6, 2 bays designed for RVs west/pull-through capability, large corner lot on over a half an acre, and more.